So you're ready for the second lab. Once again, we're going to meet today in the gymnasium. When you arrive, your ticket to enter is two things. First off, you need to have a supply list again. Secondly, you need to have a data table all prepared, including a title and what the units of measurement are going to be. Start by extending the tape measure the length of the gymnasium. Then place your first of 6 bean bags at the 0 marker. Now you are going to walk down the gymnasium floor, dropping bean bags periodically. But basically, after dropping your bean bags, you'll then go back and record the time that they were dropped and the distance that you traveled of where the beanbag is. You can walk with a partner who's using their stopwatch to help time it, or you can use it all by yourself. Now go back to your first beanbag and determine how far from the start were you when you dropped the beanbag. Record this distance in meters. Repeat this for each of the beanbags. Don't forget there is one at the beginning. Then ask your partner what the time was when you were asked to drop the beanbag and record your time in seconds. So you've got your data table. All your data is collected. Now you're going to use graph paper and all the good math skills you've learned in the last number of years of schooling to prepare a graph of your distance and your time. Once that's completed, you will make a line of best fit, and from there, you will calculate the slope of that line. Now we're going to do a second trial, slightly different. Take your phone and your stopwatch feature, and you're going to start at the 0 point of the tape measure. When you're ready, you're going to hit start on your phone. You're going to walk down the gymnasium, and when you pass the 5-meter mark, hit lap. Keep walking. When you hit the 10-second mark, hit lap again. And repeat this at 15 meters, 20 meters, 25 meters until you get to the end, and then hit stop. Now you're going to make a second data table. In that data table, you've got the distance that you recorded, the time, and the times. So make a data table with your distances and time, repeat the graph, line of best fit, and find the slope again. So you're going to pass in 2 data tables, 2 graphs done on graph paper, complete with the slope calculation. Don't forget to include the units, and a title on the graph. And then there's some reflection questions at the end. If you're stuck, what you should do is you should review skills on graphing and how to use your stopwatch feature and so on. Remember, do this for homework, come prepared for class. Remember, you're going to bring a list of what you need to class, and your data tables are all set, ready to go.